Hey guys, welcome. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. I wanna really doing. If you're new, please go ahead to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, turn on your post notification when you subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and do share my channel. Thank you so much. All right, so I'm starting off the vlog here because I was like, going through some jeans that I have, and I was looking at the quality. So I'm going through the jeans because I have something coming up, and I was just like showing my best friend like what, which one she like better, whatever. Anyways, but I was just thinking about like the quality, so I wanted to come and show you guys. I'm doing this because of the quality, not to show the pants them on my have, because really I do have a lot of jeans, so I know that wouldn't be the case here. So I have this. I think I've worn this like 2 times already, but if you guys don't know this jeans, then this would be the jeans from my fashion overall that I did in Vlogmas 2020. So you guys can scroll down, you'll find that all with a lot of stuff I bought from Fashion Nova. So I'm just showing you guys the quality. Like, look at Fashion Nova jeans quality. I mean, they are so thick and nice, and I must tell you that they hug your body. All right, for the ones that I have purchased, they hug your body, and the quality, them good. It's not jean. I've never purchased the jeans, not saying they don't have, but I've never purchased a jeans from Fashion Nova where it's like when you wash it wash out and all of that. So I'm just showing you the quality here on this Nova jeans here, compared to a jeans that I purchased in Panama. Like, I mean, these jeans, they feel smooth on your body. I must say, they feel really comfortable and really smooth on your body. However, when I wear them, because I have about 3 others that I purchased in Panama and I've worn them before, and when I wear them, they start to rub, and I'm sure it's because of the quality. All right, as I said before, I've worn this jeans like 2 times already, and look, it never about the quality for the Panama jeans that I bought there is like, as I said before, they're nice, but like when them wash, sometimes them wash out. Like this one, I'm not sure if this one will run, but I bought another one where the color is a little bit darker, and it runs for sure. But I mean, like, these parts, they rub out. They're not rub out to burst, but eventually they are going to. So I just wanted to show you guys like the comparison between some jeans. Like, when I buy jeans, make sure you purchase quality jeans. Like, sometimes the cheap jeans them only, because I like this one, but I won't get a lot of wear out of it. So for instance, I'm not really a jeans person, but what if I was a jeans person and I really want to wear my jeans? I'm not going to wear them once and throw them out. So yeah, just showing. And this jeans, all right, so you guys wanted Panama all too, right? I know I did not give you guys any Panama all because I'm now come and showing all of my clothes I'm buy, but this one, did I pay $8.99 for it? Yes, it was 14. See, it coming from 16, 14 till it went down to $8.99. And there were some other jeans in some other store that I paid like, I think it was $3-4 for. Even though them cheap, I mean, you do get cheap things for a good price, but maybe just showing one example between quality jeans. All right, so yeah. Hi guys, welcome. What's up? How you doing? Welcome to the channel. I know I did the intro before, but still I welcome everybody to the channel. Alright, today we're in a fall. The weather is rainy. Alright, so it's raining today, and I am going to Ocho, but I'm getting a ride, so I'm waiting on the ride. Yeah, it was not planned because honestly I just finished cleaning up my house, and I took a shower, put on my yard clothes, that comfy yard clothes, to go lie down in the bed and relax. But then that's not gonna happen right now. Yes, so I go Ocho, started with a business, but then say more on KFC today early curfew day. So I don't know if KFC I go possible today. But kind of then greasy like a ear I put on my lip. So did it last? Yeah, so that's what's up. What I'm doing today, let me know in the comment section. As you can see, wig is off. I was thinking about installing a different wig, but become that clean, and I'm like, okay, I'm not doing anything because I did not plan to go on the road. Yeah, so I was like, okay, the wig can stay until when it's work day, so I'll put on that before work, but that's not happening. So yeah. I saw a comment, somebody comment on the video that I posted that titled "It is too much." Somebody said, comment and take it down because I see it in the notification section, but then it's not showing under the video. But the person said that Jamaica is paradise to live, and them only need to increase money, and Jamaica would be okay. No, the person who commented that, why are you lying to yourself? Honestly, and I'm not trying to be bitter here, but let me know, why are you lying to yourself? I think you're lying to yourself. I'm not saying that Jamaica is the worst place in this world to live, but it is also not one of the best places to live because there are a lot of complications towards making life easy, and then I should not say easy because nowhere life is easy, but easier to make the entire your entire life easier at a point where, you know, some things like you have to stand your expenses, but some expenses are not, you know, too much. So if I got the chance to migrate to another country, would I decide to come to Jamaica back in the future? No. And that is my own view, because corruption is very high, and I think a lot of persons out here, they fail to just put on the extra point on that to say corruption in Jamaica is out of control, and it cannot be resolved. I don't see it as something that can be resolved, because as you can see now, the PNP party, People National Party, mash up. It literally mash up, and they have to stand firm, come together, unite for that party to come back together. So basically right now, the only party that is officially standing and together is the JLP, Jamaica Labour Party. And if you ask me, they're not doing a good job. Crime is getting even worse. They're not handling that, right? They are not giving us things like good road. If I'm supposed to show you guys the road to go to, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys the road to go to Ocho, and you guys are going to see. And this is a main road that a lot of tourists travel on. But you know what? Since the highway come in, they don't count that road anymore. You understand? So I'm going to show you guys just that road. And then patch one piece, and then left one piece, and the road is just so terrible because you patch piece and left piece. So oh my god, listen, if I got a chance to leave Jamaica, I would not return. None at all. So a lot of you who are lying to yourself about how Jamaica is paradise. It is paradise for people who don't live here, who don't have expenses out here, who don't know what it's like to live here on an everyday basis. So yeah, that's just the truth. Anyways, now we're up on the ride. So yeah, anything that happens next, I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you posted. Alright guys, so I am now in Ocho, and I was gonna come down because it's almost 6 o'clock. Curfew today at 6 o'clock. Curfew today at 6 o'clock? Yes. So Ocho kind of jam up, but you know, people have to do what they have to do. So yeah. So guys, machine empty. This is not like Scotia machine, you know, but it's because the curfew and people around the other side are full up at Ocho and this side empty. So people are come machine now because they might try to find a way to go because I miss it almost 6 o'clock. So Grizzly did the same one thing as so I said I can get that for him. Yep. People Grizzly want the KFC but it now gonna make car over there so full up. So that now gonna make today. Traffic is crazy. Okay? Crazy. Not to mention the amount of people out here. I don't want to be here, okay? Really I try to get people to carry home.
Brandon!
What's that?
Brandon!
Big in America, taxi crazy now. Can I go down there, sir? Well, in our ear, so I just seeing bad luck. Because out here crazy, man, telling you, like, look, crazy. This is what curfew does in Jamaica, okay? Let the place run crazy. So, I mean, that's a good thing though, because a lot of persons, they're waiting for a long time, and you know, they don't know when they're going to get any ride to go up. So it might give some people some ride, yeah. So hey guys, welcome. What's up? It's the next day. How am I really doing? Today is what? Sunday, yeah. So next day after the day that you saw when I went to Ocho. But my whole clothes on the line. I'm here thunder roll. When I go to the door, I don't want to see how the weather look. Guys, it not look promising. It not look promising at all. Not at all. And me literally, all of these clothes on the line are for me. So I can't afford for them to up and baby sleep. So I come before the rain start fall. Yeah?
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
So I'm back inside now, and as I said before, today is Sunday, so baby sleep. He woke up a bit early, and now he's feeling tired, so I'm just gonna make dinner for today. But here the little saga. We normally have the peas boil, like we boil one time, because you see in Jamaica you have to have these tricks and trades, or whatever you call them, to save. You understand me? Because at the end of the day you have to save on whatever budget that you have to make sure every little thing can fit in that budget. I want to say every little thing, I mean like your bills, your expenses, like a miscellaneous stuff, them, your little vacation stuff, just everything. Because you can't, this is where some people go wrong. People go wrong where them only put money to one thing. So some people believe that they are only working to pay bills, and I mean, if that's what you think and believe and want to do, no problem. But for me, it's definitely not like that. My ear just tear out. Like my ear want treat. Treat, yeah. Treat. It want treat. That's what I think. It want treat, or the cream rays on my ear. It not agree with my ear or what, but it just a comb and a fall out. So yeah, that's why I kind of bunks the wigs them now. Anyways, going back to what I was saying. So with the peas now, so we normally pressure the peas one time. So you know, you put everything in the pot and you do it one time, no burn the gas zine after that, because every week you have boiled peas, every week you have boiled peas. Like what? No. So we pressure the peas, and we do have a rice cooker, so we cook our rice and peas in it. So you pressure the peas, the rest of them you parsley it out and you put it aside for the upcoming week. So this week now, I'm gonna check the freezer. There was no peas, and I think that was just because we thought that peas is there because the last pasta did big. So I personally thought peas was here. Probably if me go to baby think the same too. But it never did like ring a bell to say okay, we need to get peas. So no rice and peas for today. And I was just watching Shoya's vlog on just like some stuff that we have as a habit, and if we don't try to escape ourselves like from it, it's like it will become this thing. So if you guys remember, like some months back, I was exercising, all of that. Honestly, about 2 months now, I'm gonna do any exercise, to be honest with you. It was so long, because when I started in the summer, after I got back from Panama, then I did nothing. And my birthday is coming up, October 25th, for those who don't know. And I'm saying to myself that, listen, I want to look good, because I just made a Shein order last night too as well. I can't put it here on the screen, just scroll as, you know, order stuff for me and babe for my weekend, my birthday weekend, you know, just to have that nice vibe. I'm like, to look good in this stuff, you can't have big, which I'm not going to lose this weight, but I don't want to have like any extra coming on or anything. So we have to start, we have to work on it, because when I was working out, I was cutting down pounds, because in that period, when I started, I was 204. When the last time I stopped, the last time I weighed, I think that was the last time I stopped, I was 190. Yeah, the morning when I sent my best friend, I was 190. She was like, girl, you almost know the 180s. Yes, I think I have those pictures. If I still do, I'll put it on the screen. And I lost literally 14 pounds. But listen, if you're not consistent with these stuff, it just right back on the body like that. Last time I weighed, it was about 2 weeks ago, I was 196. So I literally gained back 6 pounds. I don't know what's happening now, but the moral of the story is me not gonna make no rice, me not gonna make none of that. I'll try to make something healthy and go through. Yeah, so I have the chicken here. Yeah, guys, I have some chicken that I put out from the morning. So this is what I'm gonna prepare today. So guys, honestly, the audio is killing me. I'm not sure what's going on with my phone, but I am hardly hearing whatever I was saying. So I was saying that I would like prepare baked chicken, and yeah, I think the rest of the video will tell the rest. Him just yeah, he might try, but him not try as hard as I would. Like, he would try as hard as I would. So yeah, so enough rambling, and yeah. And guys, remember, no, like, I mean, I'm telling you everything, so why not just update on about this too? Okay guys, so the update is that we bought this table from Quartz. I swear I think of something scratchy sound again, because I'm gonna create L and put it out in here pan audio, because I know it would be me. I'm try to preserve it as best as possible. I don't want no tablecloth pan top, because that's like so vintage for me, but I probably get like a runner to run across. In the meantime, I just have this honestly, this is a fruit basket, like a fruit basket, a fruit tray, but you know, you can set some things I decorate it. I want to feel, I want to please, so I did it with this plant here and the placemats under here, and I have those greeny stuff there. Yeah, I want to add more, fix it up better, but it's just a go on for now. And this is the table that we got from Quartz, and it's very high too, because if you know my boyfriend tall, so So guys, yes, that would be the update on that. I know you guys saw where I was looking mostly for entertainment center. Nick, we try to go in the bedroom because we can see the TV from the bedroom, so we try to lay down and watch TV more until we decide on when we are going to actually purchase the entertainment center. Personally, I really want my TV to be on the wall because that's more modern for me. I'm gonna get one little something underneath it. What you call them something there? I don't know what you call them something there. But babe was saying that the space is too close, so if me carry it down more, it talk about the eyes them more, and I don't know, but we're still trying to figure out that. My hair is still a mess. Any other updates? Any other update that I can think of right now? Not right now, but yeah, I want to going back to the previous vlog too, like I want to big up the persons who went ahead and, you know, comment based on how, like, because I really was wondering if I could have cut out that part out of the vlog where me I say, is it okay to hate your job and appreciate it? Yeah, cause me I wonder, you know, people will dislike the video because I'm so ungrateful and all of that. But I mean, the vlog should be truthful, and I am being truthful. I am trying my best to be truthful, and yeah. So for the persons who comment, thank you on that. I know it's a depression real. Personally, I am not depressed. I don't think I am. I don't think I am, because once I finish the work, I am happy. So I mean, depression would be a thing that is hanging on to you when you finish the work and everything just around, you know, makes sense. So yeah, so big up everybody who watch my channel, who comment when you guys can. For those who like it, big up on yourself. For those who are sharing, thank you guys so much. And yeah, enough respect. So I'll season the chicken, cut it up, season it, and do what needs to be done. Yeah, okay, bye. And I come back and I chat, I love chat, but like if me put something on one vlog, I mean, sometimes I feel like me if I explain it. And I mean, you guys saw me putting on the vlog, yeah, I'm out closing me up on the line, and that's just like a result of, because we wash only once, so we close them enough, yeah. And this is because we're trying to save on GPS light bill. So everywhere you turn struggle today, but as me say, we have to work, put in the strategy, we best fit on a budget. All right, bye now.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure. Explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On the new adventure. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Don't call me up when you're feeling blue. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Let me go. It's a new adventure. On the new Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. On a new adventure. On a new adventure. On a new adventure. On a new adventure.
Alright guys, so this is my chicken for the oven, and this was not mentioned early on, but you guys would have seen the easy process that I showed you when you want to bake one cake. If you don't want to go through all of the hard work, somebody taught me this. Yeah, Lisa taught me that. So I'm not a baker, but let's just hope, have faith in my cake, that it will come out good. All right. Yeah, so I'm gonna pop this in the oven now. All right guys, so
It done.
this is my cake,
And the tester come.
and the tester come. He was sleeping, now he is here to taste my work.
Come.
Him just believe say my queen, my
So
king
they
of
So they are star baker, you have to test them, you know?
shut up. Watch my critique my cake, say about my cake dry. It's not dry.
People, you see? You can't if you come tell me truth. And you see when you tell me truth, you come like me say something wrong. My name want come in like that.
Taste the cake.
My name want come
Alright,
in
taste
like
our next part. Don't taste. Yeah, probably can you taste the edge, but it's not dry. People, it's not dry.
that. Alright, look, people. That job is to me is this. Just to wire this. You make one cake. Now when you make it, I also you know come up back to you so.
Everybody's supposed to come up back to you. That means it's spongy.
You know that the sponge in it, I mean, that's why I asked if I saw you make it feel
Of
spongy.
course.
Yes, good.
You
Me
don't
tell
want
you-
to say it
Shut
tastes
up,
good.
boy. Me tell you say it tastes good. Me just tell you say what me tell you a while ago.
I don't understand why I have the ring light around to me. And it's supposed to be. But I mean, yes, you know, true. So it's supposed to turn so.
And then I put it like in a film here.
Yeah, sure, brighter. So people, see there. Out of 10. And be
I
honest.
never make sponge cake, so I can't grade it.
Me never know how to make sponge cake. I just make a cake and it come out spongy and it's okay. To me, out of 10, how much it tastes.
If it taste, can give you 80%. You pass with high marks. If it taste.
And you have to make it dry?
If it taste, you tell me grade upon taste. I make grade upon taste.
Grade the cake in total.
In total now, entire cake. Alright.
Hurry up.
May I go based on what you say? Yes, sir.
Just grade the cake. You know what me say? Grade the cake.
Alright. May I give 70%?
I want to like blind you. Bad man, you have enough bad mind. Go away.
Besides, the people in crew.
Look there, what do it? What do me cake? Excuse me, bye. Bye, Grizzle. Bye. So guys, I know you guys have heard me mention that I did a first order on Shein, and I'm still searching because I did not get a chance to purchase everything that I wanted in the first order. So I'm currently looking for some oversized t-shirt. I should say white, because I think it's white I want. So I'm gonna put white in front of oversized. So yeah, like, listen guys, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. I don't use Facebook, so let's not talk about Facebook. I'm sure I write graphic. Ocho. Oh, then give me some graphic one. This is not bad. I kind of think I like this. Do I? I'm not sure. Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. I think Snapchat is the only thing not done, because the other three, they are linked. So yeah. So me I try to text you my WhatsApp and it's not going through. So if we not try to text somebody my WhatsApp today, which is October the 4th, then we know say the system down. So yeah, and the internet all slow too. Now load them I want. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Hi guys, so welcome. What's up? Today is Monday and I went to Ocho and now I'm back home. I pull out my cornrows them because my hair won't wash. The glue here now come up by just rubbing it out with the alcohol, so I had to pull out the cornrows. Yeah, so right now I'm having a chicken cheese patty. What you know about chicken cheese patty? I actually got introduced to this patty from a Petite Food Divinity vlog, like about 3 years ago or almost 4 years ago. I got introduced to this, and since then, anytime I go juicy beef, any patty shop at all, juicy beef, Mothers, and what the other one I name, Tasties, always buy me. I'm a chicken cream patty. So yeah, pack it hot. So that's what's going on for today. Look at the cheese that I run out. Hot go. And then you all know it's curry chicken inside. No matter what, that curry and cheese, all that go. Yeah, it tastes good same way. So basically, I'm just coming back here to end out the vlog. I hope everybody's good. Go and big up on yourself. Until another vlog, I'll see you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Big up all the new subscribers them. Big up all of the old one them. Yeah, big up on yourself. Bye.